Welcome to the land of breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and untouched nature, Australia. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through the best national parks in Australia, where you'll discover towering waterfalls, ancient rock formations, lush rainforests, and incredible wildlife. Let's get started. Number 1. Uluru Chuda National Park, Northern Territory. This park is home to Uluru Ayers Rock, one of Australia's most iconic landmarks. The rock changes color throughout the day, with the most stunning views at sunrise and sunset. Nearby, the Kakadu rock formations offer incredible hikes through deep valleys and sacred Aboriginal sites. Number 2. Daintree National Park, in Queensland. Daintree is the oldest tropical rainforest in the world, estimated to be over 180 million years old. It is home to rare wildlife, like the cassowary and tree kangaroo. The rainforest meets the Great Barrier Reef at Cape Tribulation, creating one of the most unique ecosystems on Earth. Number 3. Port Campbell National Park in Victoria. Port Campbell is renowned for its dramatic coastal landscapes, including the famous 12 Apostles, towering limestone stacks rising from the ocean. The park's rugged coastline features breathtaking formations like Lockhart Gorge and London Arch. The scenic Great Ocean Road provides stunning views and easy access to these natural wonders. Number 4. Royal National Park, New South Wales. Established in 1879, Royal National Park is the second oldest national park in the world. It is famous for the Coast Track, a scenic walk along stunning cliffs, beaches, and lush bushland. Popular attractions include the Wedding Cake Rock, the Figure 8 pools, and the peaceful waters of Guatemala Beach. Number 5. Kalbarri National Park, Western Australia. Kalbarri is home to some of Australia's most dramatic coastal cliffs, deep gorges, and stunning wildflowers. One of its most famous landmarks is Nature's Window, a natural rock arch framing spectacular views of the Murchison River. Visitors can also hike through Zeeben Gorge, explore the Skywalk, or witness the breathtaking coastal rock formations along the Indian Ocean. Number 6. Sydney Harbour National Park, New South Wales. This park protects some of the most scenic and historic sites around Sydney Harbour. It offers stunning coastal walks with incredible views of the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. The park is also home to Fort Denison historic sites and secluded beaches like Milk Beach and Shark Beach. Number 7. Nambung National Park, Western Australia. Nambung National Park is home to the Pinnacles Desert, an otherworldly landscape filled with thousands of limestone pillars rising from golden sands. These formations, believed to be over 25,000 years old, create one of Australia's most unique and mysterious landscapes. Number 8. Whitsunday Islands National Park, Queensland. Whitsunday Islands National Park is a breathtaking marine paradise located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, part of the Great Barrier Reef World Heritage Area. This park consists of 74 stunning tropical islands, featuring pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant coral reefs. Number 9. Girringun National Park, Queensland. Girringun National Park is home to Wallaman Falls, Australia's tallest single-drop waterfall, plunging 268 meters into the gorge below. The park features rainforests, rugged gorges, and diverse wildlife, making it a fantastic destination for nature lovers and hikers. From ancient rainforests to dramatic gorges and coastal wonders, Australia's national parks offer some of the most diverse and beautiful landscapes on Earth. Which park would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ozitraveler for more amazing travel guides and adventure tips. See you at the next destination.